Pag-uusapan ko.
Oo, marami.
Laro muna.
Well, we doubted ourselves today. That's why I was curious. We weren't doing the things we were supposed to do early. They were very tight. I think it was the pressure caught up with them. But you know, we were able to regroup and told them to just keep on playing, run the system that I want. And if we lose this game, we still got another chance. Why are we, why are we blaming each other? Kung naniniwala talaga tayo na eto na talaga, na yung ina-preach natin na keep the faith, kung naniniwala tayo wholeheartedly, baka kaya natin to. And we were able to do it. And Letran is a very tough team. I'm an alumnus also of Letran. I studied high school there. And I came from that system from Coach Louis. And I know that he'll be ready, and he had the perfect game plan. It just so happened our shots fall in the end, and we had a crucial stop. And you know, I owe my basketball life to Coach Louis Alas. I would not be coaching now if he didn't give me the chance to be in the NBA, to be in the PBA. And nung natanggal ako sa PBA, siya rin yung kumuha sa Toyota Otis. Para doon ako nakita ng Jose Rizal. And I owe my basketball life to Coach Louis. And I think, you know, deep inside, I know that he's also happy that, you know, that may chance na mag-champion yung isang protege. So, I at least we have meron kaming break. I think we needed this break. It's been a long uphill climb for us. I had a dream na destiny versus dynasty. Pero makuha something in store, and I have high respect for Coach Leo. He did a tremendous job today, and it will go either way. It'll go either way. I'm just happy that we're here, and that makapag prepare kami. Thank God na binigyan kami ng pagkakataon makapag